Our practical project management workshop is ideal for anyone overseeing or participating in a group project. You'll work with others in this field in 3 online sessions. You'll learn to perform the critical work in all 4 phases of a project, starting with the concept phase. We examine how to create the right guiding documents involving all the proper stakeholders and prioritize your project among others. In the planning phase, we explore how to break the project down into tasks, assign people and timelines, assess project risks, and document it all in a complete project schedule. In the execution phase, we show you how to monitor the work, report progress, and resolve issues among team members. And finally, in the closeout phase, we'll see how to finalize deliverables, hand them off, and document lessons learned to keep getting better at project management. As with all our workshops, you'll get templates that make it easier to implement these best practices at work, as well as ongoing support to help you succeed. See you soon in the Practical Project Management Workshop.